So a sine graph looks like this, where the period is 360 and the amplitude is 1, and this will be -1. Well, our job is to find this point and this point where the height is 0.9. So to find this location, what's so special about this location? Well, the sine graph will have a height of 0.9. So you put 0.9 into the y. So it really boils down to you solving this. 0.9 equals sine of x. Your job is to find x. So inverse sine equally to both sides. That will then give you this 0.9, and this will be x. So now jump to a calculator and punch in inverse sine 0.9. So if you do that on a calculator, it will give you roughly 64. So that means the angle here will be 64. Once we know this, we can work out this, because you've got to use symmetry. You see, one hump, this would be 180 here. So this, because you know this is 64, this must also be 64. So to work out this point, you imagine you're standing here. So you're standing at 180, and then you go back 64. You go back 64. So you take away 64, and then this will then give you 116. So this here is 116. And then the sine graph looks like this. If you want to find this point, you imagine you're standing here, which is at 64, and then you jump 360. So you add 360. So that will then take you to here. If you want to find this point, imagine you're standing here at 116, and then you jump 360. You add 360. That will then give you this point. And the sine graph also goes the other way. It goes the other way. So what you do is you imagine you're standing here, and then take away 360, and then you jump back in that direction. And then you can also imagine you're standing here, and then take away 360, it will jump in the other direction. Okay?